Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here, tire pressure loss indicator. This one is a Peugeot Partner 2018, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Let's start our way. As you can see, when we start the car, indicator doesn't disappear. We're gonna go to this area over here, press this button over here, menu, go to personal configuration, this one, then press OK. Go to define the vehicle parameters, driving assistance, and as you can see now it says tire pressures. Press OK to reset that. It asks us, do we know it for sure? Yes, we know it for sure. Go back to your screen over here and you'll see that the indicator, tire pressure indicator, is gone now. So once again, if you have missed it, press menu button, press OK, define vehicle parameters, driving assistance, and another OK for tire pressures. That was it. This is how you reset the tire pressure indicator on a Peugeot Partner 2018. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.